Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix find in Excel. So let's get started. At first, open the Excel workbook in which you want to search for a specific content. Press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon and click on the Find and select. Drop down in the Editing group. Choose Find from the options. In the Find dialog box, type the text or value you want to find. Click Find Next to start the search. Excel will highlight the past occurrence of the search criteria. To find subsequent occurrence, click Find Next again. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.